Hi, this is Eric, and today I'll be showing you how to find out your computer specifications. This is important because most of the times when you install a software, most of the times they usually provide the minimum requirement. So you have to make sure that your hardware or your computer has those minimum specifications before you start installing. So to see that, you go to start button, click on start, and scroll down all the way to Windows systems. Click the down arrow, right click on this PC, okay, let's do again, all the way down to Windows systems. There's a down arrow, click on it, right click on this PC, go to more, and go to properties. A window like this will pop up. So if you take a look, you're gonna see this is HP Spectra. You will see the installed RAM. It's a 16 gigabytes, and you'll see more information that we're running 64-bit operating system. We do have pen and touch support. This is Windows 10 Home Edition. We do have the date it was installed and the build. So that's pretty much it, what you're gonna see on this window. So I'll show you where you can get more information. On this search box here, you can click on it and type MS IN. So, or you can type SYS. You will see system information. Click on it. This window here will pop up, and you'll be able to see the operating system. You'll be able to see the computer name. I'll show you again how to rename this. This name looks like it's long and not easy to remember. So I'll show you in another video how to rename this. You're gonna see 64 bits. You're gonna see the system model. If you scroll down, you're gonna see where the Windows has been installed. You're gonna see the username, installed RAM, installed physical RAM, total physical RAM, available RAM, total virtual memory, and more information. Also, if you go to hardware resources here, you'll be able to find more information if you have to, or if you need that. If you go to components, you will see the components, you'll see all the ports, network, and things like that. And in the software environment, you'll see all the installed drivers and things like that. So thank you very much for watching. Today I was showing you how to discover where you can find the computer specifications or hardware specification and installed memory in your system. Thank you. Have a nice day.